All right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Anker SoundCore 2 portable Bluetooth speaker. So this currently is on sale for about $15 on Amazon, but typical pricing is roughly around $20 to $25. But anyway, so what this device is obviously a portable Bluetooth speaker, and it is their second generation, so basically it has better sound quality than the previous iteration. It also has, obviously, just as I said, enhanced sound. The battery can play back to up to 24 hours, and it is fully waterproof with an IPX7 rating. So you can have this out in the rain or something, and it should be completely fine. So let's go ahead and get into it and take a look. So first on the top here, we have a little accessory box which has some cables and such inside of it. So we have basically the charging cable to charge the actual speaker itself, as well as a little bit of an instruction guide, which I'm not going to take out because there's no need. I got it in the black color, but you can obviously get this in a few other colors as well, including white. But again, I just prefer the black color because it's a little bit more stealthy. Okay, but then here is the speaker itself on this side. So it looks like you have a couple of subwoofers as well as some amplifiers and stuff in there. On the top, we have the dedicated power button with an LED light to let you know the status, as well as if it's in Bluetooth pairing mode or not. We have volume up and down, as well as play pause in the middle. And then we have a Bluetooth connection here, which is how you would connect and go into pairing mode to connect to your smart device. So on this side, we have the little connector door, which houses our connections. So we have the USB-C connection, which is how you power the device and charge it. And then we have an auxiliary 3.5 millimeter headphone jack connection for input. So if you want to have analog audio coming into the speaker, you can easily do that right there. And the external of this device is kind of made of a little bit of a rubberized type of material, but it looks like it attracts fingerprints very heavily, and already just by touching it for the short amount of time, it looks very messy now. So not a huge fan on that aspect of it, but to turn it on, we can just kind of hold the power button here, and you can immediately hear a little bit of a sound that it makes when you turn it on. And then straight away, the right side most LED light will start blinking, indicating that it is waiting for a connection to a device. So to connect it to a phone, you simply need to put it into pairing mode by holding the Bluetooth button down for a few seconds. And you can see straight away now the LED light is rapidly flashing. So on your phone, just go to your settings and go to your Bluetooth settings and turn Bluetooth on. And we should see the device show up in our list. And there we go. You can see the device shows up as SoundCore 2. So if we click on that, there we go. You immediately hear the connection sound. And right there, we are now connected to the device. And you can see there, it's pretty loud actually. So you can see straight away, that's pretty loud. It can get louder. You can hit the plus or minus buttons to change the volume on your device. As you can see, it's going up and down. But yeah, so that is how that works. And the sound quality obviously is not very well portrayed through a video, because the audio that's coming into this camera right now is not going to provide you with the most accurate sound quality of this device. So, but anyway, it's a really handy little thing. And then to turn it off, hold the power button. Just like that, makes another little funny sound, and it is now turned off. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Again, I will provide a link down below if you are interested in picking this device up or getting more information on it. And hit that subscribe button, very much appreciated. Hit the like button as well. That helps the algorithm know that you guys want to see more of my videos, and hopefully share my videos with more folks. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.